very good morning to everybody. So we are in the car. Say hello, Gaz.
Hello.
And this morning we are heading off to do some training. In a few weeks I am attempting the Cleveland Way, and although I've been doing a lot of walking over the winter, I haven't been practicing with a loaded pack. So today I am taking out a 10 kilogram pack, and we are going to go and find somewhere that's not so flat, because obviously there's going to be a lot of inclines on the Cleveland Way, and I need to practice my hill walking. So here we go. The sun is out. Luckily I put my shades on so my eyes don't strain, and we are in a beautiful piece of woodland. Wonderful. In just under 3 weeks I'm going to be attempting the Cleveland Way, 109 miles all the way across the North Yorkshire moors from Helmsley to Filly, which I think is going to be absolutely stunning. However, there is a total elevation gain of 16,506 foot, so I better start practicing hill walking with my pack. So we found a little area to set up camp. It's looking lovely so far. We've got a little hammock in the background. No, it's not a camping hammock, it's just a hammock. Well, technically right now it's actually more like a kite or a sail for something. Gaz is going to demonstrate how to break the hammock. Today I am sampling some vanilla flavoured stout. Not a Guinness Day today. I saw this and I thought, oh, why not? Let's try something new. Gaz, what are you drinking? What beverage are you having?
The beverage is just an Orchard Irish cider.
Good old Aldi's finest. It's all right, not bad.
That'll do in a pinch.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bonjour, mon petit amis. Today we are cooking un dish magnifique in the woods.
In the woodlands. Welcome to the Woodland Cafe.
The Woodland Restaurante. We are cooking up a storm. We are gonna make some gammon steaks, some eggs, and some tomatoes. It's gonna be fit.
Sizzly, sizzly. Lovely bit of squirrel Jackie.
How much longer?
It's a take along as it take.
What are we doing with the eggs?
We're just gonna scramble them. The non-stick pan isn't very non-stick, so we shall just scramble.
Do a twerk scramble.
Don't forget, guys, when you're scrambling your eggs, twerk. Some good going. Chinky chinks.
Jinky, jinky, jink, jink. I'm going to give him 6 out of 10 for effort.
6 out of 10?
No, it's actually really nice, to be fair. It's really good.
Can't eat a bit of eggs and gammon.
Green eggs and ham.
There's a frog over there. Should we put that on?
Where?
You see him just crawling there?
It's a toad. Fuck yeah. That was crazy. There was literally one toad riding on the back of another toad. Maybe they were having sex.
Do you realise then that makes you most probably the one and only producer of toad porn?
Toad porn? I did get a bit close and personal. I felt a bit like a voyeur. I was interrupting a very intimate moment there. And then just stick a camera in their face. Gaz, how long have we been friends for now?
Well, I lose count, but it's somewhere around 12. Easily.
12 years.
Actually, more than that. Way more than that, actually. Jesus.
I think it's time. It's reached that point in our friendship where I need to ask you a question.
Just hold on. Don't go down this route unless you're 100% sure of the outcome.
Right, are you ready? In a survival situation, do I have your permission to eat you?
No.
What? We've been friends for over 12 years.
Am I alive or am I dead?
Right, if you were dead, first of all. If you'd already died, you'd succumbed to
nature,
and I had a chance of survival, would you let me eat you? Well, I'll do it anyway, but like it'd be nice if I had your permission.
Nice if you had my permission. You can have the left leg.
Just the left leg. That'll keep me going for a while. Okay. What about if you only had, just say, like a 10% chance of surviving? You were gravely injured. You had a 10% chance of surviving.
Well, then I'm surviving.
No, 10%.
No, I'm surviving.
If I eat you, I've got 100% chance of surviving. Would you sacrifice yourself?
Are we both at 10%?
The good of, no, I'm at like 90.
Well, then you don't need to eat me, then, do you?
No, I do, because otherwise
I can survive.
Starve to death. Don't be so selfish. How about you guys? What do you think? Would you let your friend eat you? That sounds so strange when I'm saying it now. Oh, look, the toad's back.
What do you plan on doing, by the way?
Well, we're chopping the onion, silly.
Well, of course. Why with an axe?
Because it's cool. It might work. Right. You ready for this? Wilderness, women, chopping the onion with the axe.
Oh!
Serious?
That was perfect. How happy are you?
I'm extremely happy. As happy as a pig in shit, to be honest. I didn't think that was going to work at all. It's time to clean up. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, that was a lovely lunch break in the woods there. Now, I do apologise about our random conversations. Can't be helped. And of course, it's so important that you tidy up after you. Every little bit. Remember, leave no trace.
We're done.
We had around another 5 miles to go to get back to the car. It'd been a good day, actually. I had managed fairly okay with the pack. It was nice to get a bit of practice in. However, I think once we're allowed a little bit further out from our local area, I can find some steeper hills and give myself some proper practice. Family reunion. Now, the Cleveland Way is one of many long-distance hiking trails I hope to do this year. I'd love to bring you along on my adventures, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment. Let me know where you're heading after lockdown.